Just stepped out. When you go to see politically, it is their internal matter. We have nothing much to say. And there also the fellow who is inducted is saying, I'm feeling sad. So there is a confusion among themselves. One fact remains that today only two ministers, which includes the chief minister, are original BJP people. The rest are all borrowed feathers. Can't last for long. It will collapse. This happened, I would like to say, also happened with the Congress. They had everybody from the MGP inside. They collapsed. This is going to repeat.
But there is a talk regarding there is an scam is regarding
The
the
chief minister said there is nothing in that. Chief minister administrator, not mine. I'm not talking of anybody else.
तुम्ही किती स्टडी केला इजे
ना आमकां स्टडी करपाक आरटीआय दिना आमकां
चीफ मिनिस्टराक तुम्ही एक्नॉलेजमेंट दिता
ना एकोनॉमी म्हटला न्हू now we have to see whether they are going to recruit them or like the earlier PW minister they are going to scrap them. Then it will become open, no?